So everyone, once you have gone ahead and clicked on the link in order to access the stock screener, you will have the following page in front of you. Now, as we can see, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is determine which stocks do you want to invest in based on the country. In order to do that, if you come here to this market section, we can see here that this website has many of the countries in the world and their stocks. So go ahead and choose one. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead with the United States of America. Now, the two filters which you are concerned about when you are going to go ahead and screen your stocks using the screener would be the market cap and the PE ratio. Now, unfortunately, not all stock screeners are extremely robust. Free stock screeners are extremely robust, and in this case, what we'll have is the market cap and the PE ratio filters. So after we've gone ahead and identified potential companies, we still need to go ahead and ensure that the other ratios, such as the debt to equity ratio, the interest cover ratio, and the cash and cash equivalents are greater than the current portion of the long-term debt. We need to ensure that all those other ratios are in order. So when you arrive here and we've chosen our market, we want to go ahead and filter for the market cap. Now, as you can see here, the market cap is currently set for companies that are smaller than $50 million, all the way up to companies which are greater than $200 billion. But we want to go ahead and filter for companies which are greater than $1 billion in market cap. Cool. So now that we've done that, there we go. Then the next step we want to go ahead and do is filter for the lowest PE ratio companies. If I come here to the PE ratio, all I need to do is go ahead and click on this button. The first time you click, it will filter for the highest PE ratio companies. If we click it again, it will then filter for the lowest PE ratio companies. So right here, I've essentially now filtered for companies which have a market cap greater than $1 billion, and also these companies have now been ranked in terms of their PE ratio. So it's a great starting point for you guys to then go through all these companies. The next step I would go from here is try to identify the names of companies which you understand, and then take your analysis from there. I hope you guys found this stock screener a useful tool.